Now we are going to see at runtime how to add conditions, visibility conditions, disability conditions, or required conditions, or edit labels dynamically at runtime from App Studio. So when you are running a case, say for example, assume that you are in the identify issue stage, or say you are in the identify location view, then you need to press this design button in the App Studio. So then you can see these dotted lines. Each dotted line is a section. So as you can see here, there are two sections. So you have to select this service address section. Say my requirement is I want to make city as mandatory, state as disabled, or I want to change the label as street number. So then I need, there are multiple ways to do it. One is you can go to the Dev Studio, you can open that section rule and make changes, save, refresh this portal and do. Other is directly you can do from the portal itself. So you can click this pencil icon. So then you can see that this is the templatized field. So you can make changes from the right side from here itself. These changes you can make from right side configuration pane only when it is a templatized section. That is why Pega is emphasizing you to follow a templatized section, not the general section rule with full section editor from Pega 8.7 onwards. So for example, say now I want to change street, then what I can do, I can click on this pencil icon for the street property. So I want to change the label from street to street number. Yes, it is possible to do directly from the portal itself from Pega latest versions onwards. So you can now go back, that is you can press this into. So now if you press this into, as you can see, that is not reflected here. That is because you did not select apply. You need to make a API call. In the backend, an API call is triggered to save this data into the Designer Studio. So you need to press apply. So now I will show you where we did the mistake. So you unselect this, say street number. Now we should not press into. It is like close or cancel. You need to apply. Then in the backend, an API call will be triggered. It is Pega DX API, Digital Experience API. So once you click on apply, then it will be applied. So as you can see now, street number is coming here. Now you can close it. So after applying only you have to close it. Say now city is there. I want to make city as required. Then what you need to do? You need to required as always apply. And you closely observe it. See, it is applied already. Now I want to hide state. Then you can go to the state and visibility never. All because I always want to hide the state. You press apply, it will be applied. As simple as that. In earlier versions of Pega, if you are doing the same change from Designer Studio, then you have to change in the Dev Studio. You need to reload this portal, again make change in the Designer Studio, again reload the portal. It's an iterative approach earlier. But now it is so simple and fast, efficient, reliable. Say for example you want to do apply some condition to the entire section, then you have to press on this section settings hyperlink here. If you want to apply settings for individual controls, street number or city, then you can press on these properties. But if you want to apply at the entire section level, then you have to press this settings. So here you can change. Say for example, if it is not mobile, then only you want to show this, then such when conditions you can apply throughout the section. Say you want some header, apply, then such changings will be applicable throughout the section for all the fields in that section. But you see now service address is coming two times, so I want none, apply, it will be hidden. So it's as simple as that. In this way, this is called runtime editing. You need not change in the Design Studio again. Once you click apply here, changes are applied. If the rule is already open in the Design Studio, don't save it because that might override these changes. That rule is a stale version. If that rule is already open, this section is already open in the Dev Studio, then you refresh it, actions, refresh, then you will get these latest changes. Then you can make any new changes if you want in the Dev Studio. Thank you.